Question 1039. Junior loans are usually secured from A. Insurance companies, B. Private lenders, C. FHA, D. Commercial banks. Correct answer is B. Private lenders. Private lenders, which commonly back a second trust deed when owners sells their homes, are the providers of most junior loans. Question 1040. Private restrictions imposed on property can be conveyed by A. Contract, B. Deed, C. General plan descriptions, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Limitations on the use of a property by the previous owner, private restrictions, can be transferred by deed, written agreements such as contracts, or general plan restrictions, called the Declaration of Restrictions, by the developer in subdivisions, including the subdivider, developer, and may be conveyed, i.e., transferred, by deed, by written agreement, i.e. contract, or included in the general plan restrictions, or developers' Declaration of Restrictions, in subdivisions. Question 1041. Sam conveys a life estate to his son, John, for the life of his other son, David. John marries Sandy, then John dies a year later. The estate goes to A. Sandy, John's wife, because she is the heir of the life estate holder, B. Sam, John's father, because the person to whom he conveyed the estate has died, C. David, John's other son, because he is the measuring life for the life estate, D. Because a death has occurred, a judge in probate court must decide. Correct answer is A. Sandy, John's wife, because she is the heir of the life estate holder. John has a life estate pure autre vie, measured by David's life. John's interest survives him and his heir Sandy take over the land for as long as David lives. Upon David's death, the interest in the land will revert back to Sam, the father, or his heirs. Question 1042. The penalty for paying off a Cal Vet loan in less than 3 years is A. $500, B. 4 months' worth of interest, C. 1% of the loan amount, D. None of the above. Correct answer is D. None of the above. No prepayment penalty exists for Cal Vet loans. Question 1043. Which of the following would be considered non-recurring closing costs in the sale of a property? A. Title insurance, B. Appraisal, C. Natural hazard disclosure, D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Fees that are paid once and never again are called non-recurring. Question 1044. The release clause in a trust deed is used to release A. some properties upon partial payment, if more than one property is used as security for the debt, b. the escrow company from liability, c. the borrower from liability, d. the seller from liability. Correct answer is as some properties upon partial payment, if more than one property is used as security for the debt. When several properties are relied upon to secure one loan, called a blanket mortgage, the release clause allows for individual properties to be withdrawn from the obligation. Question 1045. Sam, a California real estate broker, has a prospective purchaser referred to him by a broker from Nevada. After a sale to that buyer is transacted, Sam wants to split his commission with the Nevada broker. According to the real estate law, Sam may a. not split a commission with an out-of-state broker, b. split a commission with an out-of-state broker, but only if the sale occurred within 1 month after the client referral occurred, c. split a commission with the out-of-state broker, d. split a commission with an out-of-state broker, if Sam, the California broker, retains 2/3 of the proceeds. Correct answer is C. Split a commission with the out-of-state broker. While it is legal to split a commission with an out-of-state broker, that broker must hold a current real estate license from the other state. Question 1046. Buyer Bruce purchases a home from owner Orville, paying in cash. However, there is a mortgage loan attached to the home, which Orville is still paying off. Given these circumstances, what kind of deed will probably be recorded after Bruce's purchase from Orville? A. Deed of reconveyance to buyer Bruce, b. Trust deed against buyer Bruce, C. Deed of reconveyance to owner Orville, D. Bill of sale to buyer Bruce. Correct answer is C. Deed of reconveyance to owner Orville. Question 1047. The cost of a capital improvement and its impact on market value are A. Never similar, B. Always similar, C. Usually similar, D. Rarely similar. Correct answer is D. Rarely similar. The cost of an improvement and its effect on value are rarely similar. The contribution of the improvement is usually less than the cost. Question 1048. John inherits a house from his late Aunt Jane. Mindful of John's past problems with the police, Jane inserts a condition in the bequest that should John ever be arrested, title to the house will revert to a charitable organization. John's property interest is A. Life estate, B. Fee simple defeasible estate, C. An estate in fee, D. Tenancy at will. Correct answer is B. Fee simple defeasible estate. A fee simple defeasible estate means that the title may revert upon the occurrence or non-occurrence of a specified event. Question 1049. When a homestead exemption has been filed by a debtor who is 65 or older, the property is exempt from judgment liens up to A. $50,000, B. $100,000, C. $175,000, D. The homestead exemption was discontinued by federal law in 2010. Correct answer is C. $175,000. The homestead exemption of $175,000 also applies if the debtor is physically or mentally disabled. You may exempt up to $100,000 if you live with a family member, $175,000 if 55 or older, single, and earn a gross annual income under $25,000, or are married and earn a gross annual income under $35,000 and creditors seek to force the sale of your home. Question 1050. The concept of rescission means that a contract is A. Altered, B. Filed with the court, C. Cancelled, D. Incorrect. Correct answer is C. Cancelled. Rescission refers to the act of rescinding, or unmaking or undoing a contract.